When Seedance 2.5 was released, several all-in-one AI platforms announced they were offering Seedance 2.5 Unlimited, but a week later, those offers disappeared. Even people who signed up were moved back to pay per use. And while you'll still find websites claiming Seedance 2.5 free or unlimited, that's not necessarily what you actually get. So I've gone through the major platforms to find out what's really available and the cheapest way to actually use Seedance 2.5. Now, Seedance 2.5 comes from BytePlus, but as a regular creator, you're generally accessing Seedance 2.5 through these third-party platforms using the model through an API. And that's important because every time you generate, that platform incurs a cost. So when a platform suddenly promises unlimited access to an expensive new AI model, I'd be very careful about locking yourself into a long-term subscription based purely on that promise. And they all want you to subscribe, ideally annually, so it's really important to know exactly what you're getting before you lock yourself in. And here's a perfect example. When Seedance 2.5 first launched, Artlist was advertising it as unlimited for a year. But look at the pricing and inclusions for Artlist today. Seedance 2.5 is no longer included in that unlimited offer. It's now credit-based. So if you're finding older YouTube videos or search results promising Seedance 2.5 Unlimited, be aware that the offer has most likely changed. Seedance 2.5 is great for creators and filmmaking, but for batch marketing videos and AI avatar content, look no further than Veed. This is one photo of me, and in just a few clicks, I'm going to turn it into an ultra-realistic AI avatar that can deliver any script I give it without filming a new video. Veed Fabric 1.0 brings a still image to life with realistic lip sync and natural full motion movement. And because it sits inside Veed's all-in-one AI video creator, the entire process happens inside one project. Inside Veed, click Generate, open this tool, first upload a clear photo, then add the script and audio you want the avatar to perform. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and here is the finished result. With Veed, you can go from idea to image to voice to finished ad creative all in one place. It has taken that single photo and transformed it into a realistic talking performance without me recording anything new. From here, I can add dynamic subtitles and music, stitch together more fabric clips, and export a complete social video. Try Veed with a special promo link in the description and pinned comment below. Now getting back to Seedance 2.5, and there are still platforms advertising unlimited Seedance 2.5. Creea AI, for example, advertises up to 365 days of unlimited usage. Sounds amazing until you see the price. To get that 365-day offer, you're looking at around $416 per month, billed annually. That's a massive commitment based around access to one model, particularly when we've seen already how quickly these offers can change. So personally, I'd stay away from that offer. The most interesting deal I found right now is TopView. At the moment, they're offering 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 on their annual plan at around $50 per month. That's easily one of the strongest Seedance 2.5 deals I've found. But there is a catch. You're committing to the annual subscription. Switch to monthly billing here and you'll see that the unlimited Seedance 2.5 offer disappears. So if you know you're going to absolutely hammer Seedance 2.5 over the next 2 months, TopView would be my pick. But you're taking on that annual commitment to get it. Then you've got platforms where I'd be much more cautious. WizStar, for example, appears in Google results talking about unlimited Seedance 2.5. You go to the website though, Seedance 2.5 is promoted heavily, and then there's a tempting introductory subscription price. But I couldn't easily see how much Seedance 2.5 that subscription actually buys you. For me, that's a red flag. If I'm paying for an AI creator suite specifically to use Seedance 2.5, I'd want to know exactly how much Seedance I'm getting. Now this is where things get interesting. I checked several of the more established platforms using roughly the same benchmark. So for around $50 per month, it currently gets you roughly 8 to 12 15-second Seedance 2.5 generations at 720p. OpenArt works out roughly at 12 generations of that. Artlist comes in at around about 11. And with Pollo AI's current discounted Seedance pricing, you're looking at roughly 7. That's not really much if you're experimenting and regenerating shots several times. So here's what I do. If you specifically want to generate as much Seedance 2.5 as possible right now, I'd look at the TopView annual plan and take advantage of those 2 unlimited months. But personally, I don't think that's necessarily the smartest value. Whenever a brand new flagship AI video model comes out, it's usually the most exciting model and also the most expensive and least cost efficient. Drop down one level to models like Seedance 2, Veo 3.1, Kling 3 or Runway, and suddenly your money can go a lot further. And a handful of aggregate platforms actually offer unlimited generation on some of those models. For that approach, my picks would be Artlist AI and Pollo AI. You might not always be using the absolute newest model, but you'll get a lot more generations for your money. And for most creators, I think that's ultimately the better deal. Watch this video next to see the best free AI avatar generator. Also subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you there.